Moisturizer is one of the most important skincare products, but using it the wrong way can leave your skin feeling dry, oily, irritated, or can even cause breakouts. Now, most people own a moisturizer, but many still have dry skin, oily skin, or irritated skin. The problem usually isn't the moisturizer itself, but it's how to use it, not just the application. How to get the right moisturizer for your skin type. So I'm going to take my time to talk about biggest moisturizer mistakes that could be damaging your skin and you might not know. So number one is choosing the wrong moisturizer. Many Nigerians fall into this category. They just end up going with TikTok viral acts. As everybody on TikTok is going with this moisturizer, I will just use this one. Now, for someone with oily skin, it's best you go with a lightweight gel or lotion. For someone with a dry skin, go with a richer cream. Now, sensitive skin like mine, fragrance-free formulas. And someone with combination skin, lightweight lotion, or for you to get a balanced cream. Now, another problem is applying it to completely dry skin. Many of you, when you want to apply your moisturizer, you just apply it on a dry skin after using your towel. No. The best way to apply your moisturizer is to apply it on a damp skin. After leaving the bathroom, your skin is a bit damp with water, then you apply your moisturizer. It helps lock in enough hydration into your skin. I'm just letting you know. Now, the third one is using too little moisturizers, or too much, should I say. You will say, hey, what you want you? It's too expensive. I will manage it. I'll just use it on my hand. Not too much. Some of you that used to apply cream like this. That is not how to apply moisturizer. Emma Binu. And the other set of people who tend to apply too much moisturizer, it still doesn't mean the product will work faster or more. No. You're just causing too much problem on your skin. That way your skin becomes greasy and it tends to peel easily on sun when you go out in the sun. All right, so, and it gives you this oily feel, making your skin feel so heavy. So, not nice. Number 5, skipping moisturizer. Because I have an oily skin, I don't need to apply moisturizer. And Timbalo, mama show me. Stop it. Oily skin still also needs hydration. When your skin becomes dehydrated, it can sometimes produce more oil to help compensate it. So if you have an oily skin, still apply moisturizer, but go with a lightweight moisturizer, not a heavy one. All right. Now, the number 6 mistake is ignoring your neck. Many of you, I even also fell short of this. I think I now took my neck very seriously when I had my child. I always applied my face cream on my face, my hand, my back. But you see this neck, very little. It's a lie. You see this neck, you need to apply moisturizer on this neck. And the moisturizer on this neck is different from the texture of the face, okay? So they are not the same. Now, number 7 is adjusting to every season. Winter often reduces or tends to require a richer cream. So when it comes to winter season, I always advise my customers, try and get yourself butters, because during that time it's always dry because of the humid weather and may become more uncomfortable with you using lighter cream. So it's better you get yourself butters, but not too heavy. All right. Now, number 8 mistake is expecting moisturizer to fade dark spots. Many Nigerians fall short of this. You buy a moisturizer, you want the moisturizer to do everything. It should lighten your skin, hydrate your skin, fade off dark spots. If possible, if you will tell the moisturizer to take away your sins from childhood. Number 9 is keeping sunscreen. Now, this is a crime in terms of skincare. A big crime that you need to be arrested for. Because when you are using a particular product, in order to see the effect of the product, you need to shield your skin from the ray view of the sun. Because the sun is the heavy killer of any skincare product you are using. So try as much as possible to use your sunscreen every 2 hours. Now, number 10, not reading your ingredients. Most Nigerians like láti máa kàwé. Read. You buy a particular product, the ingredients are there, how to use it are there. You still be asking, Mickey, how am I going to use this product? You will not even ask, what are the ingredients there? You need to know what you are applying on your body to know if it works for your skin. Ó ṣe pàtàkì. Healthy skin isn't about buying the most expensive moisturizers. It's about using the right moisturizer the right way. Many of you fall short of this. Take cream yẹn bá wọ́n, ó máa dá. It will be a very good cream. That's not true. Sometimes creams are expensive because of the packaging. All right. So small changes in your routine can make a noticeable difference over time. Okay. So try as much as possible to follow a skincare routine, easy skincare routine that would not give you too much hassle. You know, your morning routine, your night routine, you already know a particular product you use during the day, a particular product you use at night, so you don't get to stress your skin and yourself. All right, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video. Mickey loves you like kilo day. Bye guys.